Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Lithium Americas Corp, or LAC. I've talked about them a couple times here on the channel. I thought with gas prices, everybody out there should know about lithium in case the gas prices keep going up and more people consider EVs. Then these lithium stocks are going to go up as well. So just a thought. So even though it is down a little bit from this peak, it's got to go back up. So I've talked about this one in the past. Again, Lithium Americas Corp, ticker LAC, and you can see it's up over 50% in the last year. If you even look at the last 5 year, it's up over, we'll just call it 250%. In the last 3 months, it's actually down about 16%. Here in the last month, down about 9%. Here in the last week, down about 1.5%. And here's a look at today, up about 6%. So I've held this one for a while. I have some more in a retirement account. I definitely wish I would have bought more. I wish that was a zero behind there, but it's not. So can't get too greedy, but I have 10 shares here at a cost basis of $4.26, and so I'm up over, we'll just call it 528% with that peak up in the 50s. I'm sure that was, who knows, 250% up. I don't know. I'd have to pull out a calculator. So, but this one's been around, founded in 2007, volume of 3.75 million, average of 3.61 million. Market cap of $3.42 billion, and a 52-week low of $11.84 and a high of $41.56. Great ratings on this one at 88% as a buy, and earnings are coming up on March 29th. So here's where I bought mine. So it's getting close to being about 4 years old, so quite a return on that one. So definitely should have bought more, but you can still buy some, but I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just stating my opinion here. So here on Bing, currently showing it as a buy with a 1 year price target of $36.84, and I'm sure it'll hit that. It's probably going to start going up here since summer's here, but here's some more information about Lithium Americas Corp. So basically it's a lithium Nevada project, clay-based lithium project. So like I said, I've talked about this one in the past. I'll go ahead and link that in the description as well for you to take a look at, and that way you can watch those as well. So but they set the price target at $44.30 and has been giving a consensus recommendation of a buy by 12 research firms that are currently covering the firm. So if I were to give tax, legal, or trading advice, I would definitely say to buy this one as well. As you can see what my return on it. So, I mean, it's lithium. I'm sure with gas prices, there could be a new record on EVs going up this year. So that's just a thought. But so just something to consider. But several equity analysts have recently commented on LAC shares. Deutsche Bank raised Lithium Americas Corp from a hold to a buy, rating the upped their price target from the company from 31 to 34. I'm assuming that's Canadian, but I'm not for sure. So, in a research note on Monday, January 10th, Cohen raised the Lithium Americas Corp rating and set a $40 target price on the stock in a research note on Wednesday, January 12th. So not only is summer here, but like I said, EVs sales are, I'm sure, definitely going to go up with gas prices. I don't see those going down. I don't know if they plateaued and found the highs yet or what's going to happen there, but kind of scary. But here kind of goes over the 52-week high and low. Kind of already went over some of that. Here's a little bit more about Lithium Americas Corp. As a resource company in the United States, the company explores for lithium deposit, owns interest in the project located in Jujuy province of Argentina, and Thacker Pass, a project located in the northwestern Nevada. The company was formerly known as Western Lithium USA Corporation and changed its name to Lithium Americas Corp. So, Wall Street analysis resumed. Lithium Americas Corp. What else is Wall Street saying? So the stock went on an upward path that rose over 8.44% on Wednesday, amounting to a one-week price increase of more than 3.21%. Company report on February 28th that Lithium Americas submits a draft loan application to the United States Department of Energy, exploring possible separation of its U.S. lithium business. So they are pleased to announce the company has submitted a draft application to the United States Department of Energy, or DOE, for funding to be used at its 100% owned Thacker Pass lithium project in Humboldt County, Nevada. Thacker Pass is a unique, large-scale and advanced-stage lithium project representing one of the most significant opportunities to create a truly domestic lithium supply chain to support the production of electric vehicles in the United States. We are pleased to submit our draft application and look forward to engaging with the DOE to accelerate the growth of domestic lithium industry in response to increased demand and interest from U.S.-based consumers. So, like I said, this could be a record year for EVs, and although they were down this week, they're back up. So Lithium Americas Corp gains as market dips. What you should know, and this is just dated on the 10th, closed at 28.56, making a positive 1.06% move from the previous day. This move outpaced the S&P 500 daily loss of 0.43%. Elsewhere, the Dow lost 0.34%, while the tech-heavy NASDAQ lost 0.62%. So you can see the return that I've had on this one, and I'm sure it'll be $30 again here before you know it. Could be in a month. So Lithium Americas Corp will be looking to display strength as it nears its next earnings release. In that report, analysts expect Lithium Americas Corp to post earnings of minus 10 cents per share. This would mark a no growth from the prior year quarter. So. But this one's definitely a long-term hold for me, so here it kind of goes over some ratings. We'll go over more of that towards the end. Lithium Americas Corp shares sold by Millennium Management, and this is dated on the 13th. So reduced its position in Lithium Americas Corp by 74.6% during the third quarter, according to its most recent filing with the SEC. Institutional investor owned 125,548 shares of the company stock after selling 368,442 during the period. And they owned approximately 0.10% of Lithium Americas Corp, worth $2,804,000 at its most SEC filing. So here's some other hedge funds and institutional investors that have recently added to or reduced their position. Not going to go over all of those. I will pause here for a moment if you'd like to pause the video and go over those. Otherwise, you can find it up here on the website etfdailynews.com. So, and just search for Lithium Americas Corp, and you should be able to find that fairly easy. I'll go back to the beginning just so you can see the title. And is now the time to buy Lithium Americas Corp stock. So, like I said, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. Just have to figure that out on your own. But it traded at $26.16 in the last check on March 16 and made an upward move of 3.65% on the previous day price. Looking at the stock, we see the previous close was $25.24. Beta reads 1.41, and the day's price range being $23.76 to $25.27. In terms of the 52-week price range, LAC, Lithium Americas Corp has a high of 41.56 and a low of 11.84. Company stock has lost about 9.27% over the past 30 days. So, over here on Reddit, see if there's any relevant new information. Not much there. So over here on Stock or MSN Money, currently at 26.90, we're showing a buy rating. And here on tip ranks, currently as a strong buy with a 37% upside to 36.85, high of 42.31, low of 31.34. And if you have Lithium Americas Corp, go ahead and list that in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you'd like to share. And if there's any other lithium companies out there you want me to take a look at, I'd be happy to do a video and take a look at those as well. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.